Hello people, welcome to another episode of Cilantro. Today we're gonna cook okras, one of the common vegetables that is available throughout the entire planet. Here in southern India, we call this as lady's finger. Even though no human finger looks like this, it is still everyone's favorite veggies. And you used to have okras in southern United States where they used to fry them as okra fries. And today we're gonna cook the Indian version of it, where we're gonna add some masalas and we're gonna deep fry it, which is also a favorite dish in India. So here we go. In order to make okra fries the Indian style, you have to cut the veggie in a very particular manner so it looks like long chips like this. So it's easy to coat and easy to fry. So the very specific way of doing that is you chop off the top and the bottom, and you line it down, cut it in half, another half. That's it. The very first step is we coat the okras. I'm gonna add ginger garlic paste to this, some salt and some pepper. Just dive in. Now we're gonna add some rice flour, a tablespoon of corn flour. Depends on the quantity by which you cook, so mix everything. Now we come to the spice part. We're gonna add some turmeric powder, Indian mirchi or Indian red chili. It's a little bit spicy. Some cumin powder and a little bit of garam masala. This is basin powder. Now everything is too dry, so I'm gonna add some melted butter. Keep mixing it until everything gets binded. Hey people, welcome to the second part of this episode. We already fried the Indian style of okras. Now we're gonna do the classic American fried okras, but we're gonna do it with a twist. What we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the insides, we're gonna stuff it with cheese, then we're gonna dip it in cornmeal, the egg wash, and then in breadcrumbs, and then we're gonna deep fry it. So it's more like a mozzarella sticks, but this is made out of okras. This is experimental, so let's give it a try. So we remove the top and the bottom part. This is a bone marrow remover, so I'm gonna use to cut off the links on either sides just by doing this. See? To do it properly, everything comes out. It's almost done. So I already made 4 of they're stuffed with cheese. So now I have a cup of cornmeal, and I'm gonna add a little bit butter to that, and I'm gonna add some salt, pepper. This is Chinese 5-spice seasoning. Make sure these ends are stuffed so the cheese doesn't leak. This is the taste testing time. I want to see how my experiment went. It is crispy, it's spicy, it's loaded. So Let's check out stuffed okras. How do they go? I think stuffed okra needs a little bit more time in a more lower temperature, so the okra is a little bit cooked, or we have to steam it before. Honest opinion. It is good though, it's stuffed with cheese. See you guys in another episode. Bye bye.